me find out your son is a Cancer. Yeah.
Yep.
Cancer in the house, baby. July 19th.
Yeah, every excuse me, every male in my household is exactly 6 days apart between my grandfather, my father, me, and my son. Every single one of us we're exactly 6 days apart, and he's the only one that's not a Gemini.
Wow.
All right, we should be live on all the things.
YouTube's
and
up.
TikTok are up.
Thank you. Check, check, check. Sound check, sound check. Testing. TikTok, if you guys can see me, make sure you guys type in a 1 over there. That'd be great. Thank you. Let me refresh this screen so I can see this. There it is. Okay, good. I see us over there right now. Very nice, very nice. By the way, I still have some tech goodies over there for sale. Tech goodies over there for sale. Make sure you guys go over to our, a little tech sale channel. I've got iPhones, iPads. Did you guys see what the latest thing is that I put on there? Oh my gosh. This is probably one of the greatest gifts that you could get anybody of all time. Hold on, I'll show you. Where is it? Hold on.
Fake news, fake news.
Now, you guys know me. I always have the greatest technologies in the world. This thing will blow your mind. This. Can you guys see it?
Nice. What's that?
This is the Legion Go with an 8-inch display, 1 terabyte hard drive, 144 hertz panel. This thing will play Call of Duty Warzone and
That's badass, Coach.
I remember when you got that.
look, and the joysticks are removable. What?
That's crazy. I remember when you got that, dude.
Is that amazing or what? Look at all the buttons everywhere on them.
That's sick.
Is that it's the greatest thing that's ever happened. I'm not going to lie. And you know what's even crazier about it? I combine this with my AR glasses. So literally I plug my AR glasses into the USB-C port. And now I've got, a 200-inch screen, handheld, playing freaking Call of Duty Warzone anywhere you go with this.
Dude, so that's got to be like you're in the game.
It is. It's literally. Yep. Yeah, it's awesome. So anyways, this is out there for sale. If you guys are interested. By the way, I think I took $300 off it. Yeah. $550. $550. Yep. It's out there. Comes with this amazing, I feel like a used car salesman, but I'm just saying it's awesome. If you guys don't want it, I'm putting it out in the public. We're starting to post all of this out in the public. They will all be gone. But it comes with this hard shell case. See it? It's phenomenal. Anyways, that's out there. That's out there. I've still got my flips. Hold on. I still got my flip phone. Right here. You guys, you'd be foolish not to grab this. There's a Z Flip 6. Bam! I got that out there. I've got the Galaxy S25 Ultra. S25 Ultra. Right there. Bam!
Coach, if you're not using your N5 anymore, what are you using in place of that?
Well, I've got new phones coming in. And yes, my N5, by the way, greatest phone, planet Earth, ever made. Don't care. Long hair, don't care. I've owned every phone that's ever come out, ever in the last 30 plus years. This is the best phone that has ever come out, ever. Don't give a shit. That's it. This is out there for sale right now, $600 off. Bam! Go check it out. Look at this. Oh, freaking amazing. Am I right? Can you guys see that?
Yeah.
This thing is sick. Yep, it's out there for sale right now. By the way, and I made it MagSafe. See this? Yep, it's MagSafe. I put that on there. Bam! Wireless charging. Fast charging too, by the way. Completely fast charging. This will do, in 30 minutes, I think 80% of the phone in 30 minutes with a fast charger. It's incredible. I got all sorts of stuff. Oh, I got an iPhone next to me. That's up there right here. Here's your iPhone. Who wants an iPhone? There you go. It's out there. I think I got it out there $600. iPhone. I've got, oh yeah, anybody interested in iPad mini? Bam! Brand new, 7th gen. Yeah, it's right there. Brand new. Bam. There you go. It's out there. I got iPads coming out the yin yang. Right? iPad Pros with magic keyboard. Bam! Yep, it's all out there. Go on. Get over there. It's all there. It's all there. Oh, and I have this. This is a $100 case I got on it. Hold on. Right here. You're like, oh, but that's the keyboard, right? Wrong. Check this out. This thing is sick. You know me, gotta have the latest, the greatest, the what the heck's. This case on here. This case. What? Wireless charging on an iPad? You guys see it? Bam! I know. It's all the greatest stuff you've ever seen in your lives. I get it. I understand. Everybody hold your applause over this amazing technologies. It's all out there. By the way, this also has paper-like screen protector on it. Look at LCFY while I'm over here hawking my wares. LCFY.
I like that folding phone you have, Coach.
Oh yeah, the Oppo Find N5.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that thing. It's so awesome. It's the world's thinnest folding phone. It's incredible. It's so fast. It's so choice. Look how thin that is. Hold on. It's gotta not pick me up.
It's not that much thicker than a credit card, it looks like.
It's
Oh, no,
unbelievable.
Yeah, it's great. Here, let me hold it up next to an iPhone. Watch how old and antiquated and old-fashioned an iPhone looks next to this thing. Ready? Can you guys,
Oh my God.
Can you guys see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
iPhone looks
Look
like
at
some iPhone looks like some old 1990s gadget next to this thing, right?
Wow.
Yeah, my flip phone is a lot thicker.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's like the big back computers.
And look at this. Bam! Look at the size difference. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the largest phone they make. And look at this.
Wow.
And this
It
is
looks like
lighter.
you have to import that though from Europe to get it. I was
I
trying to
did.
see
This
it.
is a global version. It works on any cell service, but yeah, this is a global version, not the Chinese version. There's two. The Chinese version has limits to it. This doesn't. This is the global. But look at it. And by the way, the folding phone is lighter than my iPhone. It has an 8-inch display. Battery life's longer. It's faster. It's absolutely beautiful. If somebody doesn't buy this, I'm gonna slap the shit out of all of you. That is just stupid. This is ridiculous. This phone costed me $2,300 and I bought it 2 months ago. I've got it on sale. And you can't buy it, by the way, like that. I've got it on sale. What do I got? $1,600. And you don't pay sales tax. Come on. That's ludicrous. Give me a break. Anyways, all that stuff's out there. I still can't believe any of this stuff is out there for sale. Oh, by the way, is anybody looking for a brand new MacBook Pro 14 with a 512 gig M4 for $1,500? Yeah, that's out there. Mint condition, space gray. Yeah, that's out there. Need something for the kids? It's there. college, it's there. Photo and video editing, the most powerful laptop that's out there. I got it for you. Don't worry, I got you covered. I've even got my Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 out there. How is this stuff still for sale?
So you're selling the folding
yeah,
European
it's
one?
all for sale.
I'm taking it.
Okay, done. It's gone.
Mock me down. I'm taking
Yep.
that.
All right, done.
Thank you.
Yep.
Don, you and I should have that one, boy.
Yeah, I'm telling you, this will be the hardest piece of tech I've ever had to let go. I've got to make room. I've got tons of stuff coming.
Coach, my birthday's next month. What's up?
Oh, very nice. Happy birthday to you. I'll send you a $47 gift card to McDonald's so you can get to Burger King so you can get them unnatural burgers.
I don't eat them anymore.
Oh, I'll send you a month's supply of grapes.
Okay, I'll take that. And that MacBook Pro.
Oh yeah, hey, now listen, man. I bought you the
I
Mac
know.
Mini. I got you the Mac Mini.
He's got me a Mac Mini.
Yep.
And I love it.
Absolutely. So, by the way, they can both do the same thing. They're both running the M processor. So, all right. So that's gone, Richard.
Awesome.
I'm serious. And
I'm taking that. Don't let anybody take that. I'm taking it.
Yeah, it's gone. I already marked it sold. It is so incredible. Now, since you got it, it has MagSafe. So I put this on it. So any type of MagSafe compatible, like your car, look, anything you want, right? You can put any MagSafe device on it. Plus, it has wireless charging. So if you have a MagSafe wireless charger, you can literally put anything you want.
My son will have to help me with that, but I love the folding that I can be able to see it. That is just
this is
super.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
That's
gosh.
what I want right there. That one.
The camera's incredible. I've showed you guys the pictures that it takes, right? When we were on vacation. I mean,
yeah.
It takes, I think, the best, again, and I don't say this lightly because I've had everything. I've got the S25 Ultra over here, right? It's supposed to have the world's greatest camera. The best pictures I have ever taken, ever, were on this phone. And this is a folding phone. Everybody's like, oh, that can't be right. I'm telling you, the stuff that we've been able to get out of this phone it's magnificent. I don't know if you guys can see this, but hold on.
Well, that is awesome, Coach. Damn.
Don't be jealous. It's gone. Okay,
yeah, how'd you
gone.
like to show somebody the photos on this? Be like, hey, here, check this out. Bam! Right? And then it folds up nice and neat. Look at that. And there it is.
Incredible.
Did you get that, Richard?
Yes, I'm taking that. It's gone. It's gone. Don't even try to take it. It's gone.
Wow.
It's incredible. You will. I'm telling you. That's why I couldn't believe that it was out there. And I remember last time when I was talking about it, somebody's like, I'll buy it a second year. I'm like, it's up there. So anyways, the moderators, what they'll do, Richard, they'll create a ticket.
Awesome.
Yep. They'll just create a ticket and they'll put it down there and we'll do the things. Yep. Absolutely. All right. Where are we at? It is, everybody's like, stop trying to sell your stuff. Listen, man, I'm helping you guys out. It's not like I'm making money on this. I'd lose my shirt off when I do this, but I always tell my wife, right, this is a hobby to me and I love it. And, because I've always been in technology. So to me, I look at it more like a renter's fee. I rent it out for a while and then I move on to the next product and then I rent it out for a while and then I move on. You know what I mean? Does it cost me money? Do I lose money? Sure. But guess what? That's what I like to do. Some people like to go drink at the bar and go, bowling leagues and all the things. Well, guess what? I buy tech. You know what I mean?
Coach, may I jump in on a thing I've been thinking about?
Yeah.
So for those people that are watching now on TikTok and other places that we've got, and you've been just undecided about joining, I've been thinking about why. And the reality is you get to watch us for free at the moments when we're dealing with trades. But what you miss, what you're not seeing, is the afternoons when it slows down and the knowledge that we're imparting during that time. So for example, today, we're going to be talking about the mental side of the market and what makes you, when you think you're going to do it and follow the trades like the little kitties or wherever else you're shopping around, and you're thinking, oh man, I don't know, I see it going up, I see it going down, and you think you're the only one doing that. No, we get into the mental side. Today we're going to spend time doing that. But if you're not a member and you're not taking advantage of some of the sales that we've got, then you miss out on a big part of learning how to do this business. So come invest, join us, and then you'll be able to see that. And Coach, I think you should run the tape now of our specials. That's it. Thank you.
Absolutely, I agree. I'll do that too in just a second. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus just sold too, so that's gone. Let me mark that real quick. Sam just scooped that up. Hold on. There went the. Let me mark it. Sold.
Coach, I don't know if it's just me, but I just see your face. I don't see your screen, so I don't know if you're enlarged or if it's just my screen.
Am I sharing anything out? Anybody? Maybe not yet.
No, Coach.
No.
And if you can hit the record button, please.
Okay, thank you. All right, give me 1 second. Where is the? There it is. Hold on. That's why if I share my screen, you guys can't see the stuff I hold up because it tries to hide everything. That's why I did that. All right, hold on.
Coach, what's your current laptop?
Right now I'm running a MacBook Pro 16 M3 to my right, which is doing the facial recording. And then when I'm remote, when I'm like out in the truck and doing all the other stuff, I'm running a Lenovo Legion 7i Pro with a 5090 GPU in it. Like I said, I've always got the latest and greatest. That thing's a beast. You guys will have to remind me one day, and I'll show you what a monster that is. Hot Mike, go ahead.
That's Callie,
Kelly.
Coach.
She's going to say IPOs are out, and the one that we had yesterday is running like nobody's business. Thank you, Callie.
She's probably in it right now.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, let me, real quick, I want to thank my moderators, then we'll run our promo. So thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily a Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palmcoast, and Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Mountain Man, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. I appreciate you every day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. I'll take it. Thank you. Let me go ahead and play this 4-minute video. Go ahead and mute your mics. Moderators, help me control those mics. And we'll get you started. Hold on 1 second. It's literally 4 minutes. That's all I ask. Appreciate you. As soon as I can find it every time. There it is. I'm always going into every time I go to the new member start here, and I forget that it's always under the regular free access.
Promo video.
Yeah. All right. Here it is. And playing now. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up at least for the free Discord. Make sure within the first 24 hours you verify your account. You will get an email from us to make sure you verify your account, or the system will kick you off thinking you are spam. You guys can get into our premium membership at $125 a month. With that, you'll get access to the membership lounge, which we have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, which we've already posted and have already been making money on this morning. You'll get the pre-market setup, which will give you key critical areas at the opening bell and throughout the day. The IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will have access to those. Any earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. We have 11 full training videos to get you started. Things like the 2-minute EWO, day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc. All inside of our premium membership for $125 a month. When you guys are ready to upgrade, I highly recommend, regardless of how much experience you have, signing up for the VIP membership starting at $500 a month. With that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on every month, and the previous recorded sessions. You guys will get the VIP training videos. We have over 50 advanced training videos for you, and the Trading View indicators. If you have a VIP, you can upgrade to the gold add-on, which is an additional $250 a month. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support. If you need us to remote in and help you get your charts, etc. set up, we can do that for you. You'll get weekend training every Saturday at 11 o'clock. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold just for that. You'll get all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything, of course, for you as a gold member will be recorded. So if you are gold for crypto futures or stocks and options, all the sessions will be recorded for you. And of course, you'll get our exciting live Apple chat. We've got David over there in the mornings showing you exactly what he's doing with the 2-minute EWO and just the Apple, which is one of our amazing strategies that you guys will learn here. So we have our futures membership, our regular futures membership starting at $250 a month, which the futures is going on right now. They are, again, just like us, every day with a live open microphone from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. You'll get all the futures education, all of the training videos, the futures lounge. The Trading View indicators are actually included with the futures memberships that start at $250, and of course all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, that one now is also $250 a month and includes the Trading View indicators. Same thing, all the training videos anytime that the Zoom sessions are available. Now the Zoom sessions for crypto is a little different just because it's a 24-hour, so we try to bounce that one around so you get different time and different events. We are always posting those, so you guys make sure you take advantage. And of course, a Diamond Lifetime membership. With that, you get everything. Unlimited, lifetime access, all of our membership services, meaning anything that I create. Platinum's coming up, you'll have access to it. I believe that's going to be $1,000 a month. Diamond, you'll get access to that. It'll just be $20,000. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up. Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate you. Don, thank you for that video, by the way. That saves me every single day.
And I can adjust it and add the promo for the 8K on the diamond.
Yes, absolutely. We got a birthday today. Very nice. Diesel Dan, it's his birthday today. Happy 23rd birthday. Woo!
Hey, Coach.
Yes,
You know how America runs on Dunkin' Donuts?
I do.
Well, American Dream Trading runs on Diesel Dan.
Oh, very nice. Diesel Dan, everybody do me a favor. Everybody right now, do me a favor. Take just a couple minutes. Head over to our Tips Moderator section. Go to Tips Moderator. You guys will find it over on our Discord. Go over there. Do me a favor. Throw a bunch of money right at Diesel Dan's face. You'll see it in there. Scroll through the list of our moderators. Let's give birthday boy some cash in a flash. That'd be great. Thank you very much. Happy birthday to you, Diesel Dan. Appreciate you all. All right, you guys ready to rock and roll? Make sure you guys are following all the rules. Just remember, here at American Dream Trading, everything we discuss is not financial, tax, or investment advice. This is for training and education purposes only. If you guys are brand new to trading, do not use real money. I want you guys to train, not trade. Okay? You can paper trade, but I want you to train, not trade. Make sure if you lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account, you are not trading anymore. I don't want anybody to ever lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, go ahead and stop trading. You're done, right? Take a month off. Make sure you guys have stop losses on each and every trade. Make sure you guys go in with small position sizes. This will allow the runners to run and stop out those losers, okay? Nobody go rogue, meaning breaking any. You don't get to break a single rule. Every time, I swear, every time we see somebody that is talking about they're not finding success, I am telling you right now, they're breaking the rules. Every single time. Oh, I lost 30% of my account last week. Impossible if you're following the rules. If you follow the rules with my risk management, it would take you 14 years to blow up your $50 account. I'm not exaggerating. I have designed it so you cannot blow your money. Do you understand me? Follow the damn rules and journal. Make sure you journal every day. By the way, that's what all these iPads can do for you. What do you know? And that brand new, amazing Galaxy Tab. You'll be able, it's got the pen and everything with it. You're going to love that, by the way. You'll be able to journal with it. By the way, one of the cool things with the Galaxy Tabs when you're journaling is it actually makes the noise. If you're using the Galaxy Note app, so it sounds like you're writing pencil to paper. It's awesome. It's nerdy, but I absolutely love it. So anyways, follow the rules. Journal every day. Now remember, this is we're closing in on the last. We got one more trading day this month. One more trading day this month, and we'll come up with something new for July. Right? But we had micro May. In June, everybody held their profits. So when you get in the green, you're done. You're done for the day. You don't need to overtrade at all. Don't forget, we've got those Diamond Lifetime memberships right now. You can set up a payment plan with us. You can do 2 4K payments, unlimited access, all of our membership services. Get it today. That is a $20,000 membership with over $50,000 in membership services if you bought each of those products with a lifetime individually. We also have Diamond Monthly for the first time ever. $850 includes everything. Futures, crypto, stocks, options, mentorship, everything you could imagine. Think about it. Our VIP Gold is $600 a month. $250 more, you get access to everything we have. Check it out. Get over there right now. All right, that's going to do it. We got about 10 seconds to the bell. Nobody's going to go rogue. Yesterday, we had another amazing day. By the way, congratulations on the stock market being the highest the stock market has ever been in the history of the stock market. If you were a part of American Dream Trading, we held you on through that 30-40% pullback that we had 4 months ago. You are all set now. Glad you were here. Congratulations. Hopefully we saved all of your lives. Now, we had news this morning about products costing more for the same price. So the stock market took a pullback. So looking to see if we'll get more pullback here at the open. Keeping an eye on that. If you guys have any call outs, make sure they're clear and concise. If we catch it on the 2-minute, I want to catch the first 2-minute EWO if possible. Apple, right now, first 2-minute EWO has been signaled to the downside. Does not mean it's going to stay there. Does not mean it's going to stay there. Apple, major level for you is that 202 area. So you can see 202.10 was the high in the pre-market. Watch for the break of 202.10. If you're looking to long it, it needs to be a break and hold above 202.10. Right now, still pulling back. Beautiful. 2-minute EWO on Apple is in effect to the downside. Now below the 200. Major level 201.50 support. 201.50 on Apple for support. You want to see that break that level for the downside. Major level over there, okay? There goes Apple popping. This is why I said, hold off, right? That was forming a 2-minute EWO downside. It hit support, bounced, new high a day, channel chop. Be careful. SPY starting to pull back now. Might get in with a little dabble do you here if it can sit down underneath this area and stay. Q's to the downside. Apple new high.
Former hot stock from yesterday's CYN new high day.
Thank you. Oh, by the way, Apple was a 2-minute EWO upside. Was I saying downside that whole time, by the way? It's 2-minute EWO
Yes.
upside. Was I saying that wrong and nobody corrected me?
Tesla big pull.
Thank you. Thank you. Sorry if I was saying
It
that
was
wrong.
momentarily showing a downside for like 30 seconds.
Oh, was it? Okay. So okay. Thank you. I'm freaking out over here. Like, that don't look right. Thank you. Just remember, Apple, you want that to now stay above this 202.10 and you're golden to the upside. Above 202.10, golden to the upside. You hear the sound of my voice. But it's a lot of volatility. Apple's been doing that. Have you guys noticed in that first couple of minutes? Apple's really been doing that every day now. It's like completely indecisive. I think yesterday we had a full runner, but man, some days Apple will, it's that 3-minute window I talk about, right? Like be extra cautious in that first 3 minutes is crazy.
Tesla to the downside.
Thank you. I see it. Yep. Tesla 320 now.
But be careful, like the 320, it's a tough level on Tesla.
Yep. Apple new high a day. Apple new high a day. Apple hit that pre-market low and bounced for support. That 201.50 bounced, new high a day.
I actually mentioned it to my son yesterday, Coach, how Apple's have been weird and poppy right out of the bell for the past several weeks.
It has. It really has. It's crazy.
Crazy candles, yeah.
Yes. Yep. Nice. Yeah, NVIDIA is the first $4 trillion company. NVIDIA now the first $4 trillion company. Congratulations. Anybody that's been listening to me for the last 3 years straight, every single day about NVIDIA, every day I've talked about it. Great job.
Yeah, you have been. I remember we talked about it in February 2023, I think.
Yeah, that's when we started talking about AI, but yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
And it was like 200 something and some change at the time. You were like, don't miss the train.
Yeah, Jimmy's holding 35,000 shares of it still. And now it's new high. And it did a 10x split while he was holding it.
Right.
It's glorious. All right, let's take a peek at what Apple's doing here. Apple hit 203.20 and pulled back.
Palantir pulling hard.
Thank you. PLTR.
Before shorting.
Thank you. Let's take a peek. Yeah, PLTR down almost 3% now. Thank you.
What do you think about this consolidational SPY, Coach?
I'm okay. I'm all right in here. I'm actually shorting it.
For those other than Coach, let's please state the specifics for the first half hour. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, there goes. Yeah, I'm looking for more of a pullback. I'm actually looking for SPY come back to open, which it's $1. It's about $1 away. I don't have a huge stop on it, but I've got a little bit of room to move. Needs to be a little bit more. Normally I risk about $200 to $300 on that trade. I wanted to see this pull a little bit more. Now remember, we're really at an indecisive moment, right? So this could go either way. So this is kind of risky what I'm doing. So I don't advise this. If I was everybody in the room, I'd wait for this break of, what is this? Around the
1334? Above VWAP, you mean at that point?
Yeah, I would look for it below 613 or above, this is resistance, 613.50 is where I'd start to look to the long. Everybody see those two?
Some page.
Yep, everybody see those two? So, and then remember at 50, you're still going to have that 200 right there at 68. So you're still going to have a little bit of trouble right there. But so again, this is a risky move that I'm doing. And it looks like just got stopped out. $150 risk. I'm okay with that. But again, 613.50 up, 613 down. Just be careful. You got the 200 sitting right there. So if you wanted A plus setup, wait for above the 200. So technically 613.80-ish right there. There's your 613.50. Again, watch for the 200. This is that little 50-cent channel, 613.50, 613. I was anticipating SPY to pull back a little bit more. I wanted to see this actually come back to open, but didn't do it. That's why I had I went in with one. Nike to the upside. Let's take a look.
Yeah, they raised guidance up 14%.
There we go. Nike's now up over 15%. Thank you. Appreciate you. Nice job. Good thing I saw that over there in the Zoom. Let us know when you see that stuff. Thank you. How we doing over there, TikTok? We doing all right? Good job. This room is way too quiet, by the way.
That's the sound it makes when you're collecting money like at church.
I guess, yeah.
We are focused.
We don't want Richard to yell at us.
That's right, Richard zoning.
That's what I was thinking.
No. You guys are all right. I'd rather hear the sounds of your voice at this point. It's too quiet. The show will be flat.
Right.
Seventh day green in a row, up 355 today. Second largest trade I've ever had.
Nice job. Yep. Good job. LCFY up 308% for the day. Yeah, Richard's right on stuff like profits and things, but if it's stocks, I want to hear it. Open your mics.
Tesla bounced off VWAP on the way back down.
Thank you.
5 days green this week, up almost 10% on the count.
Thank you. LCFY 308%. 330% now. Hot stock pick LCFY. You can see this is respecting this 21, right? Everybody see it respecting the 21?
Yes, Coach.
Wicks coming through. That's about it. Respecting the 21. That's good.
Nice.
Yep, that's really good.
Apple came back down and bouncing on VWAP several times.
Oh, yep, I see it. Yep, absolutely. 2-minute EWO riders. Everybody's collecting on pullbacks, right? Still hanging in there. You're still above VWAP. SPY hit that 200 and pulled back. See it?
No breaky.
Yep. Dancing on our 613.50. Still dancing on that 613.50. Now remember, I said if you want to wait for an A plus setup, wait till above around that 613.80. Do you see it up there? That's more of an A plus setup, okay?
Thank you, Coach. Stopped out of LCFY.
Oh, nice job. Yeah, LCFY 328%. 29, 30. There goes Apple. SPY still climbing here.
Yeah, Nvidia's pulling as well. I'm surprised SPY is holding up.
I know, and that's why I this morning was assuming, especially with the data news, right? I thought they were going to try to drive the hell out of that on the news networks. We told you egg prices were going to be higher.
Didn't they also announce trade deals?
Oh, did they? Now that I don't know.
Think so.
Today, did they?
Yeah, imminent with China and India.
Oh, I didn't know they did that today. Okay. I know that there were talks yesterday, and he said that had deals on the table. Okay, so they did.
If you're in the pre-market, CYN went up. I think it looks like about 20%, and it's turning.
Yep, I see it. 66% right now. SPY up here again on the 200. Just at 613.70. Starting to come up to our nice target area, 613.80-ish is what I'm looking for to long. Not financial tax or investment advice, just what I'm looking at. There's my long and my short. 613.80 long, 613.80 long, 613.30 is support, so below that to short. See it? If you're waiting for the A+ setups, it will be 613.80 plus long, 613 short. Thank you.
Just doesn't look like Apple has a lot of volume in the candles. They're like just moving, creeping slow right now.
They really are. It's Options Friday too, so there could be some funky stuff today. Options Friday, extra volatility.
It may be saying, you know what, I'm just tired. It's been a big week.
Mm-hmm. Speaking of big week, one of our members made $1 million this week. Good job. Congratulations. This week. Notice I said this week and don't say his name. We can't say it live. But good job. Good job.
Previous hot stock pick, HOVR, from yesterday came up a lot.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Still waiting here.
Yeah, waiting for that thing to go above 200. Here we go. Let's go.
I was trying to say 25%, Coach, from yesterday's low.
Thank you. I was like, you're just going to leave us hanging, huh? Thank you. Yeah, I want to see SPY pop here. 613.80 is what I'm looking for. Come on, baby. Go, go, go.
Have you heard from old government cheese lately?
I have not. Right here, 613.80. Right here, gang.
Coach, LCFY hit 400%.
Oh, yep. Nice job. Hot stock pick, LCFY. Beautiful. Who's in that? The one that I said that it is following the 21 perfectly. Anybody?
I'm in and out of it 3 times already, so I'm trying to get back.
Thank you. 1250 is the double top, so as long as you can stay above that area.
First EWO to the downside for NVIDIA.
Thank you. There we go. First 2-minute EWO downside, gang. Good job. Now, SPY, dancing on our 613.80, has not cleared that area yet. Do you see it?
Yep.
Waiting to long this. I want to see this pop 613.80. I'll go long. I'll put my stop below. Now I'm going to go smaller size, bigger stop. So I'll go above 613.80 and I'll have my stop just below the 9.
Intel's been going up pretty good.
Oh, good. Okay, let's take a peek. Intel INTC has been perfectly stair-stepping. Just perfectly stair-stepping upside. Thank you. Good call. Soxel is up 1.3%. Oh my gosh. Soxel is up almost $26 on our $7 call out. B Axelrod, by the way, got in on that when I said it at 767. 767. Good job. I saw that post on Twitter yesterday. Nice job. AKA X. Nobody knows X. If I say X, they're like, what do you mean X? And if I say Twitter, it ain't Twitter. You know what I'm talking about.
Tesla's on a double top.
Thank you. All right, here we go. Again, I'm looking for that break of 613.80. See it?
Yeah, it's right there. It's to the ring.
It's trying. If you look at our channels over in our 2-minute EWO indicators, it's still got some room to go up to about 614-ish, 1420 it looks like about, before we hit that upper band. See it? That regression channel up top. Still waiting, being patient. Come on, Spy. Make a move here, right? This is silly.
Ain't gonna sit there forever.
I feel like we're gonna have a pop or drop anytime.
Yeah, now if you look at it, this is 52-week high is this exact level, right? 613,
Yeah.
613.80, I think, was the exact 52-week high before today. So this is why. Come on, baby, pop. I'm set for the long. Haven't pulled the trigger yet.
And then NVIDIA is going down, Apple is not moving, so it's
I know, and,
like,
and Spy's going up. Come on, baby. Pop this 613.80 range so I can at least get into the trade, set it, and forget it. A minute. Loose stop. Small position size. Nice. Come on. Keep going. Drive that thing. Got a very loose stop on this. Just to cover for... Now you've got the 9, the 200 stacked up. See them?
yeah.
We're above VWAP, the 21, the 200, and the 9 here. And a major resistance level. Let's go, baby. Come on, stay up there and go. Stay up there and drive this thing. It just hit 613.93, so technically 614. Still got a little bit of room to go before we even look at the upper limit. Still got about, like I said, about 614.20-ish. We'll see. Still got some room. I got a nice loose stop here. Hopefully they don't try to pin this thing under 614 today. We'll see. We'll see if they let it go. Because remember, 614 is going to be right, meaning all-time high, great market conditions. So are they going to allow this thing above 614 and stay there for the day? That is the biggest question of today, is can SPY hold above 614 so that it's in all the news today, right? You guys all realize how big that is today, right? They will either get to broadcast that the market is all-time highs or not to end the weekend. It's massive. 614 is everything today. There we go. Come on, baby. Everybody should be in the money now. Yes. Is that a yes?
And Apple's hitting a double top, Coach.
Thank you.
Looking for a pullback here.
Thank you.
Yes,
Yeah.
Coach. In the green.
All right, good deal. Yeah, we'll see if Apple's going to pull SPY back off on this double top, right?
Yeah, that's one reason I'm not getting back in.
Yep. Well, I've got a nice loose stop. I'm going to let this thing work. It's in a beautiful area. I love SPY up here. Yes. Yes, there you go. Congratulations, everybody. Nice job. Perfect trade. That is the perfect trade, by the way. There you go. Everybody's getting paid now, right? Just got paid. It's Friday night. Come on. Good job. Now it's just how much is it going to let us get paid, right?
No capping of the upside.
That's right. Good job. We waited for the A+ setup. I've protected my trade. No matter what, I am guaranteed money. Done deal. Now, how much am I going to make? That's the only question left. Remember, the hardest part of what we do as traders is getting into a good green trade, right? That is the hardest part. And then it's just, well, how much am I going to make? Well, guess what? Now sky's the limit, right? I mean, this thing could run, make new highs, keep going, break records, and then, news picks it up. It's the highest it's ever been. And then, boom, catalyst starts driving more. People are like, yeah, I'm going to start putting money back in the market. Boom, 3%.
Fake news.
Yeah, you could have a 3% day on SPY. And everybody in this room got a perfect A+ setup for it, right?
The related cues are struggling to break the 200.
Yeah, and Apple's on a double top, but SPY's still climbing, so there you go. Look at that. Who's in there with me right now? Tell me.
I am.
Thank you.
Me too.
Yes, Coach.
ESLL, first green.
Thank you. Everybody in the room, right, got an A+ perfect setup at the exact moment when to strike. Look, oh my gosh. Look, oh my gosh. Congratulations, everybody. Wow. Huh? Woo-wee.
Beautiful.
Amazing.
That is nice. Oh my. Look at this. Didn't I say above 1380 was just a beautiful area? Look. Oh my. Woo!
The news is going to stop picking up on that.
Yes.
Coming up on pre-market high now.
Yep, I see it. 614.50.
I'm done.
Oh my. How's everybody
I
liking that?
remember 2 months ago, everybody was running scared.
Oh! Woo!
Awesome.
Yes. Bam.
This is it.
New high.
This is it, Coach, right there.
Yes.
Scandal.
Yes. That was all-time market high. It just hit again. 50, not 52. All-time stock market high was just hit here live. You all got into the A+ setup. Every single person in the room is another success story here at American Dream Trading. Wow. Glorious. Yes. Nice job. Who's still in there with me?
Oh, it wants 615.
Oh, this is glorious.
6:15. Let's go.
Glorious. Now listen, we're way up here on the ceiling, right? If you want to take a little dab off, I wouldn't blame you at all. This is a double top, right?
The biggest double top ever in spot
Yeah,
history.
really. Yeah, in history, right?
Yeah, I mean, double top. What do you want to do? I mean, you know how to do it.
This is glorious. What a great trade, though. All right, so did everybody wait for that nice, beautiful, perfect A+ setup? And everybody got paid, right?
Yes, coach.
And you got shift change in a little over a minute.
Yep, minute and a half to shift change. Thank you. And volume will be coming in. That's just glorious. Glorious. Hopefully the news will pick this up, but I hate to say it. If anybody else was in there, it'd be all over the world news right now, wouldn't it?
It's sad, man. They just can't let a win happen, you know?
They can't.
You got that right.
So I'm trying not to be political right now, but if there was any other person in office, the world would be screaming about how we're in new market high territory.
True.
This thing will get swept under the rug. Nobody will know at all. Everybody's still thinking their 401ks are in the toilet, right?
1 minute shift change.
Yeah, those folks got quiet pretty quick, huh?
Oh my gosh. But you know what? Have you noticed every week it's something different? Literally every week the target moves to something else, right? Literally every week we get something completely different. Like, oh, well, now it's that. Oh, now it's that. Now it's that. Look at that. Now it's that. Burn that down. Go over there. Target that. It's like, oh my gosh. All right, right here. 20 seconds. 20 seconds to the bell. Or to shift change. 20 seconds. Oh, I almost want to let this breathe a little bit under this. I was going to say I should have moved that just below the 9 because I think we're going to get a nice, beautiful pop. Yeah, we did. I went back. I'm going to put this under the 9. Yep, I was going to say I think it's still got more room. Who's still in there? Come on, baby. Callie's in there. You hear her getting excited? Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Yes. There we go. Please tell me you guys are still in there. Best trade by far, live, American Dream Trading. Waited for the perfect A+ setup. Everybody in the room making an ass load of money. Every single person in this room is now making unbelievably stupid amounts of cash. Oh my gosh. Great trade, everybody. Great trade.
615.
Recording in progress. Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
Was that not being recorded the whole time? Or it was? Was that cloud recorded, I hope?
It wasn't.
Nice.
It wasn't. Yeah, I just looked over.
Good deal. We'll have to pull it from our lives and use the, the audio will be okay. Talk about a perfect trade. Oh my gosh.
I had my first red day yesterday, coach, in almost 3 weeks, and
not
made
today.
that call that night.
Not today, right?
Not today.
There shouldn't be. Listen to me. There should not be a single person in this freaking room that's red today. If you were trading what we were trading, Not a single person in this room. It would be literally impossible for you to be read if you were doing what we were doing. Am I right? Impossible.
Show them the head.
Don't make me put a fresh one on you. He said, show them the head. Love it. Oh, this is glorious. SPY hit 615. Come on. I wish the news would broadcast this. I'm telling you, if news hit this thing would hit 3% today. You'd have a historic high on SPY and, right, $1 trillion coming back into the market on the same day, on a freaking Friday too, right? This is crazy. Loving it. Who's still in here with me?
I'm still holding one. Yes. Still in it.
Good job. This is a nice, beautiful setup. Here, let me get rid of all these other lines and you'll see where we bought. This is where we bought. See that 613.18? Yeah, that's where we got it. See it right down there?
Yes, good trade, coach.
You know, before the rocket ship.
Yeah, that was the launch pad.
Yeah. Right? That's why I said just be patient. Wait for that good setup. Right? Let it happen. Let it do its thing. Let it work its magic. This thing is still running. My goodness gracious. Look at this. This is just... And look at the 1 minute. Do you see what is it respecting on the 1 minute?
The 9.
That's right. So as long as it stays above the 9, everybody's golden, right?
Yeah, there's no reason to get out.
I'm going to let this work up here. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So since we had an A+ setup, who hammered this pig? I didn't say it was a cheesy regular setup. I said it was an A+ setup, right?
It's beautiful.
Hit it, coach.
Nice. Somebody about to get paid. This is glorious. Still up nice and tall. Good.
Yeah, I'm scared to hear what Mark's doing.
Oh, I know. Oh my gosh. I hope he did the same. Oh my. That's
He might
where
hit $1 million today.
Oh, he could. Yeah. He'll send me a message soon, I'm sure.
Yep.
I'm sure I'll have to ask.
Contracts.
Yeah, I'll have to. Oh yeah, 100 contracts if he hammered that. Oh. As long as he leaves it alone, as long as it's, following this 9. Now, if you guys notice on my screen, obviously I'm trading futures, but it's the same thing if I was trading SPY. Do you see how the longer we hold on to it, the higher the 9 goes? The higher the 9 goes, the more I can move my stop up, so on and so forth, right? Just like we talked about with our 2-minute EWO. Did you guys notice how I moved it up?
Yes, sir.
Right? You can do the exact same thing. So the longer this goes, the more I can ride with it, which is great. So time is on our side. That's what we want. That 9 will continue to climb right along with the stock.
Logic.
And then I just have to have enough room to allow a wick to come through. And if not, right, if I end up getting stopped out, but I'm giving it enough room, I'm still going to be in, right, the perfect trade of the day. There's no better trade than this, by the way.
Which I think we have 9 green candles right now in queues.
Yeah, it's crazy. I mean, look at SPY. Look at this.
Tesla's popping, Coach. It's a
I see
pre-market double top right now.
Thank you. Good call on that. Yeah, previous day high is 331, so it's got a ways to go to gap up to previous day high too. See it? Man, I love our indicators. Is anybody else loving our indicators, by the way?
Little bit.
Oh my
I swear
gosh.
by them.
It's
Heck yeah.
It's so nice having all of that data on the same screen. I don't have to bounce all over the place and draw things. And it's just like, it's right there, right? So choice. Oh, nice job, Kyler. Kyler over in our free stock lounge says, thank you to all the moderators for taking time to teach. You have the right kind of passion to help people. I've been green all week for the first time. I've been following the rules to a T. Thank you, Coach, for your ambition to build something that is able to help so many people. You're very welcome and great job. Following the rules is where it's at. You want to know why? All my rules are based around risk management. That is the only thing. If you listen to my rules, it's risk management and mind control, right? Trying to control your mindset. That's what the journal's for, right? Look at this trade. Oh my gosh. Who is still in this trade?
Me.
Thank you. This should be one of the greatest trades you've all ever been in if you're still here. And the only reason I mean that is, it hasn't moved like 28,000% is because we waited till the exact time to execute. And now, because it's respecting the 9, we even know where we should be looking to get out, right? Notice I get to keep moving my stop up. Has anybody noticed me doing this?
Yes, sir.
This is off a scalp. The SPY, new high a day, continuing to climb. By the way, this is one contract is up. Oh, I just got stopped out. Was up $375. One contract. Then that was my second contract, by the way. Right? That was one contract. By the way, that wick stopped me out. Remember how I said be careful, don't let a wick stop you out? Well, my wick stopped me out. Did anybody notice that?
Yep. Tesla had a nasty pullback. It took SPY with it for a split second.
Yeah, I was a little too close. Literally this wick. That's why I say be very careful of those little tiny wicks, right? Still climbing. Still climbing. And again, be careful of those wicks. I got wicked out. Now my wick's a little larger, but it's the same thing. See it right here? That's the one that got me. That's all right, though. I'm good with that. That was a great trade. I just could have had a little bit more wiggle room. It's okay. If I wanted to, though, think about it. Since it's a scalp, I could get right back into it. It's completely up to me at this point. And guess what? If I did, where would my stop go, everybody in the room?
Below the 9.
There you go. So isn't that a very small risk?
Yeah, and Coach, in the related cues, when it broke the 200, I'm up 55%. Got wicked out on this just recently.
Yes, nice job. Good job. Who's still in here? Who's still rocking this bad boy?
Me.
Good job. Don't touch that dial, right? Just have your stop in place in case we get a knife drop. Don't touch that dial. Remember, Allow the runners to what?
Run.
That's right. Are you supposed to be dinking around with stuff? No. Let it go. Oh, wow. Armathal just said his 401k is up 17%. Oh, yes. Congratulations. Look at this. Still screaming, getting ready to make new high again on SPY. Boom, new high, SPY. Nice. Nice, nice. If I wouldn't have had that, just that little wick, I didn't give enough for just a little. I was off by 1 tick, by the way. If you're looking at futures, that's 1 tick I was off. Oh, that 1 tick. So this would be up now, what, 500? It's glorious. Who's still in here? Hanging in there. It's above the 9, respecting the 9. Is this where I got to hold your hands again all day? But I want to get out. I want to get out. I want to get out. I want to stop. Right? TikTok, you don't stop. That's right. TikTok, how we doing over there, gang? Anybody making any money on TikTok? If you are, type in a 1. How many subscribers we got today over on TikTok? Remember, we're trying to hit that subscriber goal. Hit that subscribe. Thank you. Here come the ones. Yes. Yes. Zoom. Those of you that can't talk in my Zoom, type in a 1 in my own Zoom chat. There we go. There we go. Come on. Twitch. Those of you that are watching on Twitch, type in a 1 if you're making any money today. Same with YouTube. By the way, YouTube super chat goal is up. If you have a question or you want to be announced live, throw up a super chat. Appreciate you. Oh, we're on the 9. SPY just caught it. Was looking away. This is still technically the 9, but I want you to look at these candles. 615. Yep. 615 is support. How can I tell that? You see all these candles bunched up? Let me pull this up on the big screen since I'm not in this trade. Hold on. As long as I stay above the 615, I'm golden. I want you guys to look at it. This right here is support. See it? If you want to shed, go ahead. This is still considered on the 9. But coach, it's sitting underneath the 9. This is still the 9. $21 is at 614.93. That's my end all be all. I do not hold anything below the 21. Does everybody hear the sound of my voice?
Yes, sir.
Not financial tax or investment advice. But if it's my trade, I don't hold under the 21. In fact, if that pulls below the 21, I'm going to short it. Look at this pullback. Please tell me everybody collected, right?
Hey, Coach, NVIDIA is also coming up on a double top with its all-time high.
All right, thank you. I'm going to try to get into a small short with a tight stop. Only because it's got a long way to go if it does. And if it doesn't, it won't cost me much. Because the gap down is huge. Because of how much this candle was. See this giant candle here? Oh, there it goes. Come on, baby. Go. We make our money up. We make our money down. Whatever it wants to do. Every market condition. Am I right?
Absolutely, coach.
This is going to go flat on me. I'll kill it. Killed it. I wanted to see this go. Whoosh, pull really hard here. If it doesn't, I'll wait. Boy, it's acting like it wants to, though, right?
I'm ready with Thor's hammer.
Yeah, but it's sitting, so don't. You know what I mean? Look at it. It's just sitting there. That's why I bailed out. If it wasn't going to go pull, there's buyers there, right?
Yeah, it might be respecting that 21.
Exactly. Yeah, there's buyers sitting there. Thank you, James, for that $5 super chat to get it started. We need 9 more to reach our goal today. I appreciate you. Make sure if you guys are watching on TikTok, do me a favor, click the subscribe. Follow and subscribe. Thank you. I'd appreciate that. It helps the algorithm, by the way. I'm not trying to get your $4.99. It's just it helps the algorithm. Can you guys believe we are almost exactly 1 month away from doing this every day for 3 years straight? Oh,
I can't believe that, Coach. Time is flying.
3 years.
August 17th is my retirement.
August 17th?
Yeah.
That's awesome, Kelly. That's almost the whole time I've been here, right?
Yeah.
Good stuff. All right, I'm going to trade this now. I'm going to long this with the stop below the 21. See if this respected the 21, I want to actually I'll pull here.
Yeah.
No, I'll keep it tight. Hold on, I got to kill these open mics. I got it, moderators. I got it. We're good. I got you. I think I'm going to open this up just a bit, just to give me this room. Yeah, because if it respected the 21, I'd like to see it pop the 9, and then it'll try to make new highs. If it doesn't, we're going to get a pull below this 21, and then I'm going to hammer this pig to the downside. You see how we can work both of these angles right here? Yes, we're still here. TikTok, we're still getting it done, right? TikTok. Thank you. All right, we're sitting here at the 9. We had 3 candles get pushed up. 4th candle here. Let's see if we can get a nice pop. If we get a nice pop, I'll be able to move my stop. I'll be in another guaranteed green trade. Come on, a little more. There we go. Boom. There it is. Yeah, baby. Up, down, and back up again. Am I right?
That's how it's done.
Yep, just like that. You want to know how I make $1 million day trade scalpers? This. And I've made more than anybody in the business that I'm aware of. I always have to say that because somebody will be like, oh, but there's a receipt. Stop. Average guy, thank you. Thank you. Average guy with a $5 super chat says, I never left you guys, just been a fly on the wall, soaking it all in. Thank you for being here, and thank you for that super chat over on YouTube. I appreciate you. Look at this. Who got back in this again over here on SPY on that nice respect of the 21 and drove it back to the upside, and now we're up again.
Yup.
Now notice I was getting ready to drop that hammer, right, if it was going to break below this area right here, which in fact I had a short. It went flat. I told you exactly why I got back out of that trade. And then I longed it. So I made money up, down, and up, all on the same exact trade, while other people would still be on the same just long trajectory, which is okay. And if you're in the 2-minute EWO, shoot, you're just riding the whole thing, loving life, right? Shedding when you need to, letting it run, laughing at the coach, making 3 trades to your 1, right?
I got back in.
Yep, nice job. And again,
Coach, I did a 2-minute EWO on futures, and then I did a scalp on options.
There you go. Nice. He's running. Yeah, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. We do everything here, don't we? That's glorious. All right. This is, I need to mark this. Hold on. This whole area right here. All right, here we go. Let's see if I got another opportunity for this.
Coach, this looks like a mini Head and Shoulders here.
Let's see what we got. Yep, I'm looking to see if we get that break of that 21 again, and you guys already know what I want to do. Now, remember, we got that small area right to here. I'm going to mark it right there. That was previous support, so we don't have a lot of room before that can bounce, right? Watching, watching, watching. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a breakthrough. 614.80 is what I'm looking for to the downside. Come on, baby. You going to break through here? There it is. Shorting. Tight stop. Yes. Keep going. Keep going. I need a little more to protect. I don't want to protect it flat. I want to need a little more out of that. Come on, baby. A little more. Should get a knife drop. Protecting. Thought we were going to get the drop right there. It's going to pull now. Now the question is, do I wait for it to breathe back up to 614.80 or do I get into it now?
If Qs break the 21 lower, SPY will follow.
Yeah, I'm sitting here now. So I made money up, down, up, down. Now waiting on this move.
Or still.
Apple has pulled all the way down to a
Saying Apple
free
was
market double bottom.
keeping track with everybody. Bro, Apple should have been 230 right now. 230, 240. I mean, it was 243, right? Like, that's what it was loud before at the high. 243.
260.
Okay.
Why would Apple be that price? They're losing market share in China.
Yeah.
There's opium going on.
Yeah, that's what's going on with Apple right now. Exactly.
They're going through lawsuits.
Yep. Yeah, there's a lot that's causing them, that's holding them back. That's why Tesla pulled from 350 to 320 is because European sales were down, right? I mean, that just caused them to lose $25 a share.
And concerns over AI.
Yeah, I don't know what that would be, but yeah.
So, Coach,
They're just way behind.
Coach.
Yeah. Hey, what's up, man?
Man, we're we're riding Apple real good towards the downside.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
We successfully rode it down to this 201.57 area. We consolidated a little bit above 202, and I told the team, hold on, wait for it to break and hold below 202, and then we're gonna hammer it down. Sure enough, it broke below 202, and then next support was 201.75, and it tapped into 201.75. It couldn't break and hold. It bounced back up to 202, and I told him use your 202 as your resistance. So just relax. And sure enough, couldn't break and hold 202 towards the upside, so it flushed back down all the way down to 201.57,
I
baby.
see it.
Let's go.
Yeah, which is your pre-market low.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's beautiful. And then you guys are now getting a double bottom bounce, technically triple bottom from here. So
Yeah, man. Oh, this is amazing, Coach. All thanks to American Dream Trading.
getting it done.
By the way, my ADT license plate frame is getting here tomorrow.
Oh, sweet! I can't wait to see that. That's gonna be
Yep,
awesome.
I'm gonna put it on my Tesla Juniper, and I'll take some pictures and show it off.
Yes, that's gonna be beautiful. Did you see Mark's came in?
Yeah, I saw his.
His
His
so
looks so
good.
freaking nice.
That looks so good. So good. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
American Dream
Could
Trading
Mark
is
be
going to be
thinking
on
about
all these
futures?
cars. You know, American Dream Trading is going to be on everybody's cars.
Seriously.
I love that. I love that.
It's definitely good advertising. You should get the car stickers.
Yep. I'm thinking of like a cool ADT wrap for the car. Because I seen some Teslas with like some sick ass wraps. So I'm thinking of putting like a badass ADT wrap or something cool and unique that can catches its eye, and people will turn their heads like, huh, American Dream Trading, huh? I'm gonna Google it real quick. And
Dude,
then
we're all about that. Jen and I, when we had our delivery business, we had our car wrapped with our company and different restaurant logos and stuff from the town.
Nice.
And that was sick. So we're not beyond doing something like that.
Right.
That's hella cool.
So, Coach,
Yes.
on only 4 contracts, small position today, I paid for half that phone.
Oh, there you go. Yep, done.
Bam!
Bam!
I'm so happy.
Richard.
Just like that.
Nice.
Good job. Good job. Oh, I might have got in here a little early. We're going to see. Right there. Started to pop that 9. I was like, oh, we're going to long this now? And now it's sitting kind of flat, but we'll see. It's still respecting this to the downside. I tried to long it right here, so I might have made a mistake on that trade. We'll see.
It's just hovering.
Yep, it really is. Yeah, it's pulling off of here, but looks like it could bounce off this spot. So if we look at this, yep, there it goes. There's 2 spots here now, here and here. If it breaks below here, right? That's another shorting opportunity right here at 614.70. Everybody see it? There it goes. It's got a huge gap down there too to VWAP. Can you guys see that if that can break through there? Apple's still going to the downside.
And we're getting to 201.26 for Apple. Over.
Thank you. Over. Yep. 201.26 was open low. Thank you. Apple 2-minute EWO gang making all sorts of fat loots. Here we go. Looking to see if SPY gets this break of 614.70. So I made money up, down, and then I just lost one. I tried to up it again up here. I didn't let it break and hold. I actually hammered it right there with one. I should have waited till that break and hold right there. See it? That was my fault. Bad trade.
Can I ask you a question now, Coach?
Yes, go ahead.
I got a question for you. How come with NVIDIA is at an all-time high? My NVDY isn't even close to my average cost.
Because those are two completely different things, right? They're not going to run the same at all.
No.
No, not at all. Remember, the only thing that's driving NVIDIA is how many people want to buy it. Right? It isn't a tandem goes with NVIDIA, right?
No, okay.
Yeah, the only thing that drives that is if it can go up.
Gotcha. Okay, thanks.
Thank you. But the good thing is if you're in that, you should be up still 150% minimum, depending on when you got in, obviously. If you turned on drip back when I said, you're up over 200% on NVIDIA.
Yeah, I had my drip one. I got in back in like January, but my cost is still like $20 a share, and it's at like $16 a share.
Yeah, don't worry about the cost anymore. Remember, that's just the cost of doing business where you leave it in there, right?
Right. Okay.
Yep. Yeah, that thing will be up, down, all around. Doesn't matter. As long as you're still making hundreds of percentage. Right? I don't care if it got down to $3 if I'm making 6 times my amount of money, right? Makes sense?
Sure does. Thank you very much.
Yep. Apple, new low a day. 201 right there.
Yep, 201, Coach.
Yep. Apple 2-minute EWO gang. You guys got to ride it up and down today. Glorious. I love that. Now remember, I always talk about the 2-minute EWO. On average, right, you'll get around, less than 3 to 5 in a single day. Right? Any more than that, you don't want to be anywhere near that thing. If it's right over 3 to 5 changes in a day that you are inside of one of those 2-minute EWOs, then it's just choppy, right? Here we go. 614.70 is what I'm looking for to short. $10:35. Moderators, we have our meeting in 25 minutes.
You gotta love the Friday contracts.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my. You're just getting them for a bargain. The bargain bin over there, aren't you, partner?
Yes, sir.
Diesel, it's your birthday. I'm sending him a tip and he's tipping me back.
Diesel, stop that. Stop it.
Love your face, brother. He is so crazy.
He is crazy. Yeah, don't forget, everybody, tips moderator. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put it in the stock lounge. Hold on. Right here, everybody, do me a favor. It's Diesel Dan's birthday. You know how we always love to super support our moderators that help you all day. Right there. Everybody throw a bunch of money. There's the Cash App for Diesel Dan over in the stock lounge. Everybody throw a bunch of money right at his face. Just make sure they're paper bills, though. Don't be throwing coins at his face. That could hurt. Get him over there. Show
Coin face.
Right? Show him some love.
Hey, Coach.
Hey, what's going on?
I just wanted to point out that you have made, not you, but this room, we have had 4 perfect, beautiful, awesome setups, and it was enough to pay for the diamond membership.
Oh, that's
Thank
awesome.
you.
You're very welcome. Good job. So glad to hear that. You guys hear that? Diamond membership paid.
Congrats. Good job.
Whoa, there's a spike. Don't know if I'm going to be able to catch any of that. I'm going to try. Whoa, that's news. That is a news situation. What? Somebody somewhere. Did you see how that volume came in? Oh my gosh. I tried to catch the tail end of it and it stay up there. It went green for a little bit, but I tried to let it go more. Oh my gosh. Man, my stop was too tight. Looser stop, coach, today.
Michigan muffin sales are up, coach.
I'm in, coach.
Oh my gosh.
Does anybody know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man!
He lives on Drury Lane.
And the crowd goes wild. Oh, this is big news. Something is going on.
Yep, broke that 615.30 for SPY. Next resistance is 615.50, if you will.
Major catalyst. Wow.
18%, coach, on that SPY call.
Yes. Beautiful.
5 Huskies.
I saw it pop, tried to catch the tail end of it. I had my stop too tight. It did go green. It pulled back, stopped me out, and kept on running. So looser stops, smaller positions, right, gang?
Absolutely. 615.50, coach. We're right here at that double top.
Yep. Double top. Nice job, everybody.
Coach, Michael B posted the news in the chat.
Which chat?
Zoom chat.
I don't see it. Was that the Michigan Consumer?
I posted it, Coach.
Somebody just want to say it? Sorry, because I can't find it.
Yeah, Trump aims for trade deals with key partners in Asia in the coming weeks. Posted by the New York Post.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that shouldn't drive it. Yeah, it just aims to make a deal. Yeah, no, that was deal, right?
Yeah, supposedly they were talking about it yesterday too. So yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think it's anything relevant.
Yep. Thank you. I appreciate it. It must be this Michigan data that came out.
No, it was at the beginning of that. He talked about that China wants to work out their exports. That's the positive.
All right, that's what I thought. Yeah, somebody this morning thought a deal had been made, but like I said, I didn't know that. I know they're still talking. I didn't know if a deal was official or not yet. Did you guys see yesterday, not being political, but it's about finances? Did you see that $88 billion came in on tariffs for the month? A B.
Yep, I saw that.
A B.
News.
We just got paid $88 billion on tariffs for the month.
Oh, the tariffs are bad.
National debt fixed.
Yep, done. Game over, right? Beautiful.
Such a businessman. I don't care what you say.
We're still gonna have to watch the inflation to see if we can lower interest rates.
Yeah,
that was 88 billion.
88 billion for the month. Yep.
We're not sure if tariff works.
Hey, Coach, you forgot to mention NATO collected over $1 trillion.
I saw that. And did you see that everybody in NATO is now putting in more than they ever had before, so that the U.S. is not backing the entire NATO anymore?
Yep.
Except stupid Spain.
For the first time since NATO's been there, where people are paying their fair share.
Everybody but Italy, Coach.
Yep, but isn't that all we've been asking for? Pay your fair share. Why are we subsidizing and paying for everybody out there?
Absolutely.
100% correct.
There's nothing wrong
Making
with paying
America
your
rich
share.
again.
Again, because we're talking about financials, it's weird that we are the #1 security force in the entire NATO and we were paying more to have the most. Huh? We pay $1.5 trillion a year for our military. Why are we paying the most to protect all of NATO? Something doesn't add up here. Oh, it goes by the GDP. I don't care. We're still overpaying our share. So don't try that BS with me. I've been around a long time. I might have a Flint education, but I know what I'm talking about. Yeah, buddy. Anyway, stock market all-time high. Beautiful. Yeah, Congress made a phone call, by the way, to the president and said, I think something's wrong, but something's off. And he said, check the tariff line. And he said, oh, 88 billion. There you go. That's why your numbers are so off. Isn't that great? That's just incredible. They literally called him to say something was wrong with the books. They were way up.
There's a group of people
That's
that
crazy.
Yeah.
Coach, there's a group of people that dying to see him fail.
Yeah, we know that. But isn't that amazing, everybody? Group of people are so
It's
many
freaking
people.
awesome.
Nuts.
Failure is not an option.
No.
Is Spy going to push through?
Yeah.
It's not going to push through.
To say you can't deny the truth when it's right in your face. You know.
Well, they will though. They still will. They'll be like, I don't know what you're saying. I can't hear you. I don't know I can't see it. I don't hear it. I can't. Orange man. I can't see or hear. I can't see it. I can't hear it.
Oh my God.
Hey, Coach,
That's
somebody
awesome.
had paying for the tariffs. Let them know that the person on the other side that's buying our product in foreign countries are also paying
Here.
higher tariff.
Here you go. This will be the last bit so that everybody doesn't freak out because, oh no, we don't want to talk about how great America's doing. Here you go. I got something for you. There you go. There it is. There it is.
Fake
I got out
news,
the
fake
Trumpinator.
news.
There it is.
Let's go.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Hold on. I got you.
Listen, you fake news. You fake news. Fake news. Fake news.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Love your faces. Let's see if Spy can make new high before everybody freaks out. Oh my gosh, he took a he's talking nice about a president. Oh, it's so stupid. You'll be all right. Take it easy. Remember, it's supposed to be about America. When America is doing well, you should be cheering it on. I don't give a shit who's in there. Get your heads out of your buttholes right now. It's about America, damn it. Spy, all new high forever. All new high. Greatest it's ever been. Ever. Spy. All new high. Greatest it's ever been. Ever in the history of the entire world market. New high. You guys should be screaming it from the rooftops. All new high. Great. How about NVIDIA too, right? Just crushing the markets lately. Oh, I forgot. NVIDIA wasn't supposed to be able to get any higher. Right? They were done. NVIDIA that's it. Wasn't supposed to go any higher. NVIDIA, highest it's ever been. Congratulations. Nice job. It's almost like we know what we're doing in here. Am I right?
That's right.
Good job, Bob. Good job. Speaking of amazing jobs, did anybody go over there and tip Diesel Dan and show him the birthday love? Anybody? Bueller? Oh, crap.
I did. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Listen, moderators, we have a meeting in 10 minutes. Who's going to run this board while all of us moderators are gone?
Yeah, James, coach.
James?
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you, James. Appreciate you. We will be gone for exactly under 1 hour because we're not dragging it out forever. There's nothing that I love more than a meeting where everybody wants to talk and talk and talk and talk and talk and talk and talk, and a meeting for a meeting to have a meeting to have another meeting for the meeting, and let's discuss what happened in the previous meeting to talk about what we now need to schedule the next meeting for a meeting for a meeting. Blah, 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 blah.
Hey, Coach, have you watched Landman at all?
Have I what?
Have you watched Landman?
Yes,
With Billy
I
Bob
love it.
Thornton?
Yeah, I love it. Absolutely love it.
That's what just came to my mind, that meeting that their board members were having, and he just says, well, y'all shut the...
Yeah, yep, exactly. That's how I feel all the time. Listen, I used to, you guys know IT Pass. I've talked about it before. All these, especially these middle and large, multi-billion-dollar, all they do is have meetings. All they do is have meetings with 57,000 middle management to like manage small groups. Like, what are you guys doing? You want to know why you're pissing away so much money? Hire the best people for the job. You don't have to micromanage them. Tell them once. If they can't do it, fire their ass and move on. That is how you get shit done. Not, well, we need to have a meeting to make sure that we're on a projected timeline. Guess what? If you're not on your projected timeline, your ass is fired, and I'll find somebody that'll put us on the projected timeline. You want to know how fast shit gets done? Boom! Enough of that nonsense. I don't play that. Ask my moderators. Do I micromanage anybody? I think we've had 3 years. I think this will be our 4th moderator meeting I've had to be involved in. 3 years. If you have to have 8,000 meetings, shit is wrong. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen? How many of you are sick of that in your 9-to-5 jobs? 24 hours a day meetings to have a meeting, to schedule a meeting, to talk about the meeting. Stupid ass, terrible, shit ass dog nuts. Am I right? Anybody in the room?
You are correct.
I was going to say, am I alone with that? Maybe.
Absolutely
I don't
not.
have at all, Coach.
He couldn't have said it any better.
It was ridiculous. Fire the people that can't do their jobs, and you'll never have to have meetings again. Everybody, it's like a tuning fork.
You could take that to the bank.
Right? I'm dead serious. I have hired and fired thousands of people running my own companies for over 30 freaking years. I'm telling you right now, if you got to keep micromanaging people, they are a terrible employee and should not be a part of your business. There you go. There's a little Coach 101 for you. You want to know why we're one of the most successful startup companies in U.S. history? That's freaking why. By the way, did you guys know that we are? Anybody in the room? Because I think it's the first time I've ever said it out loud. Anybody? Did you know that we are what? I don't know about history. We are one of the most successful startup companies in the country. Did anybody know that?
No. I believe
Did.
I believe it. Awesome.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Yep. We will be closing in on 10 million in profits in the last 3 years. Puts us in one of the top ever highest rated startup companies in US. Done. Done. You want to know why? Because if you suck, you're fired. If you're great, you're still here. To everybody that's in the room, give yourselves a round of applause. It means you're great. Good job, though. Good job. Guess what? Everybody that's not in the room, you didn't make the cut. You're out of here. Am I right?
So no pressure, coach.
What's that?
So no pressure.
Yeah, no pressure. Yeah, absolutely. No pressure. I'm serious, right? You either do the work or you're gone. The brand new media specialist person. I told him in the meeting, we will know immediately. And if you cannot perform what needs to be done, you will be immediately terminated. Didn't I say that in the meeting, Bruno?
Yes, sir.
I do not sugarcoat it. This is a business. You guys want to know why we run so well here? Because I don't play any of those stupid games. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Anyways, meeting, 6 minutes. Everybody be there. I'm out of here. Listen, love your faces. Thank you to all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palmcoast, Ange, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, Mountain Man, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, we honor you every single day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. There it is. I even did it quick. Listen, I'm going to play my quick 4-minute spiel, and then I'm gone. Here you go. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up at least for the free Discord. Make sure within the first 24 hours you verify your account. You will get an email from us to make sure you verify your account, or the system will kick you off thinking you are spam. You guys can get into our premium membership at $125 a month. With that, you'll get access to the membership lounge, which we have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, which we've already posted and have already been making money on this morning. You'll get the pre-market setup, which will give you key critical areas at the opening bell and throughout the day. The IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will have access to those. Any earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. We have 11 full training videos to get you started. Things like the 2-minute EWO, day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc. All inside of our premium membership for $125 a month. When you guys are ready to upgrade, I highly recommend, regardless of how much experience you have, signing up for the VIP membership starting at $500 a month. With that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on every month, and the previous recorded sessions. You guys will get the VIP training videos. We have over 50 advanced training videos for you. And the Trading View indicators. If you have a VIP, you can upgrade to the gold add-on, which is an additional $250 a month. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support. If you need us to remote in and help you get your charts, etc. set up, we can do that for you. You'll get weekend training every Saturday at 11 o'clock. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold just for that. You'll get all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything, of course, for you as a gold member will be recorded. So if you are gold for crypto, futures, or stocks and options, all the sessions will be recorded for you. And of course, you'll get our exciting live Apple chat. We've got David over there in the mornings showing you exactly what he's doing with the 2-minute EWO and just the Apple, which is one of our amazing strategies that you guys will learn here. So we have our futures membership, our regular futures membership starting at $250 a month, which the futures is going on right now. They are, again, just like us, every day with a live open microphone from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. You'll get all the futures education, all of the training videos, the futures lounge. The Trading View indicators are actually included with the futures memberships that start at $250, and of course all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, that one now is also $250 a month and includes the trading view indicator. Same thing, all the training